In this video, I will show you how to test your Wi-Fi connection strength using CMD. Let's get started. First, we need to open CMD, run as administrator. You can also search for CMD in the start menu. Next, type the following command. This command shows information about your current Wi-Fi connection. You will see details like SSID, signal strength, bssid and more. Look for the line that says signal. This shows your Wi-Fi strength in percentage. %100% mean excellent signal, 70% or 90% is good, 40% or 70% is average, below 40% is weak and slow internet. If you want to see all Wi-Fi network around you, type this command. This will show every network with its signal strength and other detail. If your signal is weak, try moving closer to the router or restart your Wi-Fi router. Stronger signal give better internet speed and stable connection. Now you know how to check Wi-Fi connection strength using CMD.